Aries, 25th October 2024. Love, harmony reigns in your love life today. Take time to appreciate the peaceful moments you share with your partner. For singles, today's calm energy may help you find clarity about what you are seeking in love. Career, your hard work is paying off, and you might receive some recognition for your efforts. Keep up the momentum, but also take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Overall well-being, you are in a balanced state of mind, making this a great day to focus on your health. A well-rounded approach to wellness, including diet, exercise, and rest, will serve you well. Advice: embrace the harmony in your life today. Balance is key to maintaining your well-being and sustaining your success. Taurus, 25th October 2024. Love, today, a more nurturing side of you will come out. Whether it's supporting your partner through a tough time or being there for a friend, your caring nature will shine through. If you are single, this could be a day where you connect deeply with someone on an emotional level. Career, your attention to detail is at its peak today. Use this sharp focus to finalize tasks that require precision, whether it's paperwork or analyzing data. Your thoroughness will be appreciated. Overall well-being, you are feeling emotionally balanced, which gives you the strength to take on any challenges that come your way. Prioritize self-care to maintain this equilibrium. Advice: lean into your nurturing side today. Both your personal and professional relationships will benefit from your attentiveness and care. Gemini, 25th October 2024. Love, today, you'll crave more excitement in your romantic life. If you are in a relationship, surprise your partner with an impromptu date or fun activity to break out of the routine. Singles should seize the opportunity to meet new people in unexpected places. Career, creative problem solving will be your strength today. You may encounter a challenge, but with your quick thinking, you'll find an innovative solution that sets you apart from your peers. Overall well-being, mentally, you are in a good place today, filled with ideas and excitement. Be sure to channel that mental energy into both work and play to keep a good balance. Advice: don't be afraid to shake things up today. Be bold in both love and career, and let your curiosity and creativity lead you to exciting new paths. Cancer, 25th October 2024. Love, you are likely to feel more social today, craving connection with loved ones. If you are in a relationship, plan a romantic evening or spend quality time with your partner. Singles may feel ready to put themselves out there, perhaps through social events or dating apps. Career, networking is favored today. Whether it's reaching out to colleagues or making new professional connections, your communication skills will help you shine. Don't hesitate to promote yourself and your ideas. Overall well-being, emotionally, you are more balanced today, with a desire for meaningful connections. Make time for friends and family, they will uplift your spirits. Advice: take advantage of the social energy today and build stronger bonds, both personally and professionally. Your nurturing qualities will shine, making you irresistible in social circles. Leo, 25th October 2024. Love, your natural charm and magnetism will attract positive attention today. If you are in a relationship, expect sparks to fly as you and your partner feel more connected. Singles may find themselves in the center of attention at social events, increasing the chance of a romantic encounter. Career confidence is your key to success today. Present your ideas boldly and take initiative at work. Others will naturally gravitate toward your leadership, and you will have the chance to steer projects in your desired direction. Overall well-being, you feel empowered and energetic today. Physical activities will help you release any excess energy, and your positive mindset will keep you feeling unstoppable. Advice: bask in your self-confidence and embrace the leadership role that comes naturally to you. However, be mindful of others' input, as collaboration will still benefit you. Virgo, 25th October 2024. Love, romantic energy is flowing today, and you may feel more open to affection and intimacy. If you are in a relationship, this is a great day to plan a quiet, romantic evening with your partner. Singles might meet someone who appreciates their practicality and grounded nature. Career: your steady and reliable approach to work will continue to pay off. However, today you may feel an extra boost of creativity, which can lead to innovative solutions for any problems you've been facing. Overall well-being: emotionally, you are in a good place, and your physical well-being reflects that. Today is a great day to enjoy hobbies or indulge in creative projects that help you unwind. Advice: let your creative side come through, whether in your work or personal life. This will help you feel more fulfilled and balanced. Libra, 25th October 2024. Love, you might feel a bit more reflective today, considering the future of your relationships. This is a good time to talk openly with your partner about long-term plans or to reflect on what you want in love if you are single. Career: today is all about setting long-term goals. Use your natural sense of balance to plan out your next steps in your career. Organizing your thoughts now will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed later. Overall well-being: you are in a contemplative mood, which is great for mental clarity, but make sure to stay grounded. Yoga or meditation could be particularly beneficial today to help you stay centered. Advice: use today to plan for the future, both in love and work. Setting clear goals will help you stay balanced and focused in the weeks to come. Scorpio, 25th October 2024. Love, today, your emotional sensitivity is heightened, making you more attuned to your partner's needs. If you are single, you may find yourself drawn to someone who is equally emotionally complex and introspective. Career: you are operating with laser focus today. This is an excellent day to tackle any projects that require deep concentration. Your ability to think strategically will lead to breakthroughs. Overall well-being: though your emotional energy is high, physically you might feel a bit drained. Prioritize rest and self-care to maintain your energy levels and avoid feeling burned out. Advice: lean into your emotional awareness today, both in relationships and work. However, ensure that you take time for yourself to recharge emotionally and physically. Sagittarius, 25th October 2024. Love, expect some unexpected developments in your love life today. This could range from a spontaneous outing to a deep conversation that brings you closer together. Stay open to possibilities. Career: your adventurous spirit shines today, prompting you to think outside the box. This is an excellent day for taking the initiative on new projects or proposing innovative ideas to your team. Overall well-being, your enthusiasm is infectious, and it's a great time to connect with friends and family. Surround yourself with positive energy and let yourself enjoy the day fully. Advice: be open to surprises in love and work. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Capricorn, 25th October 2024. Love. Today, you might feel a longing for deeper intimacy in your relationship. Create a cozy atmosphere to talk about your dreams and desires with your partner. If you are single, be open to connecting with someone who resonates with your ambitions. Career, your hard work is beginning to pay off, and you may receive positive feedback or recognition. Embrace the moment, but stay grounded. There's still more work to do to achieve your long-term goals. Overall well-being, focus on your physical health today. Consider starting a new fitness routine or adopting healthier eating habits. Taking care of your body will help improve your overall mood and energy. Advice: acknowledge your achievements but remain focused on your future aspirations. Balance celebration with continuous growth. Aquarius, 25th October 2024. Love. Romance is in the air. Your charm is heightened today, making it an excellent time for date nights or romantic gestures. If you are single, don't be surprised if someone makes a bold move toward you. Career, you'll feel inspired to pursue new projects or ideas. Take the initiative to pitch those innovative concepts you've been mulling over. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and could lead to fruitful collaborations. Overall well-being, your energy levels are high today, making it a great day to tackle tasks or start new routines. Channel this energy into productive activities that inspire you. Advice: harness your energy and creativity to make meaningful connections both personally and professionally. Pisces, 25th October 2024. Love is in the air. You may feel particularly romantic today. Surprise your partner with a spontaneous date or a heartfelt gesture. If you are single, your charm will attract attention. Don't be shy about flirting. Career, creativity will shine in your work today. Use this energy to brainstorm innovative ideas or tackle creative projects. Your unique insights could lead to breakthroughs. Overall well-being, your energy is high, making it a great day for self-care. Engage in activities that rejuvenate your spirit, such as dancing or exploring new hobbies. Advice: embrace your creativity in both love and work. It can lead to fulfilling experiences and connections.